Good morning, everyone. So for this time, we are going to discuss the measure of position called decile. So ang sabi dito, deciles are the score point which divide a distribution into 10 parts. So the formula for decile, we have d sub k is equal to k over 10 times n plus 1. So let's do have an example for this. Example number 1. So find the third decile of the following test score of a random sample of 9 students. So we have 35, 42, 40, 28, 18, 23, 33, 20, and 28. So the first thing you need to do is to arrange these data into ascending order. So from lowest to highest number. So we have you have 18, 20, 18, 20, 23, 28, 28, 33, 40, and 42. So using the formula dk is equal to k over 10 times n plus 1. So parang wala naman siyang pinagkaiba sa decile. So ang kailangan lang natin dito ay yung n. So the n is just 9. No? So using the formula, we can use this one. So since the k is already there, which is the third, lalagay lang natin d3 is equal to 3 over 10, then 9 plus 1, and then so you got 9 plus 1, that is 10. Lagay na lang natin dito. So 3 over 10, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 times 3, that is 30 over 10. So 30 over 10, that is just also equivalent to 3. So we have d3 is equal to 3. So what is our d value or d3 value? So d3 value is just the third position. So we have 1, 2, 3. So which is 23. Next, example number 2. 15 students took a test on mathematics. So the result were this one, no? Madami. So find the value of D5 and D8. So the first thing we need to do is to solve the D5 muna. So unahin natin yung D5. Same lang din po ang procedure. Ang gagawin natin, arrange natin to ascending order. So we have 21, 29, 29, 30, 32, 49, 44 pala, 44, 46, 47, mali ito, 47, hindi ko lang mabura, no? Then 48, then 49, 49, 50, 50, 50, and 50. Apat na 50. So here, naka-arrange na tayo. So now we can solve this one using the formula as d5 is equal to 5 over 10. So n, so ano yung n kasi natin? So yung n natin is ano, no? Is sabi dito 15. So we have 15 plus 1. O kaya bilangin nyo to. 15 po lahat yan. So 5 over 10. 15 plus 1, that is 16. Then 15 times 5 times 16, that is equivalent to 80 over 10. So 80 over 10 is just 8. So D5 is equal to 8. So yung 8 position po natin is that is the D5 value is the 8 position. So bilangin natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ito po yung value natin. So D5 value 47. So ito po siya. Next, dito naman tayo sa D8. So magpo-provide same pa rin po tayo. Ang problem na po natin ay decile 8, no? Same data, sinulat ko lang po. So using the formula, decile 8 is equal to 8 over 10. Then also lagay natin n, that is 15. 15 plus 1. So 8 over 10. 15 plus 1, that is 16. So 8 times 16, that is 128 over 10. Then 100 over 10 is equal to decile 8 is equal to 1 or 12.8 lang po. So kung gagawin po natin, kung isa-solve po natin yung D8 value, ay madali lang dito. So 12.8, bilangin natin yung 12.8, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12.8 nandito po siya banda. So we can use the interpolation method here. So gamitin natin interpolation. So we have 50 minus 50. Ito common na to. Parang common sense lang. 50 plus minus 50, that is 0. 0 times 0.8, that is equal to 0. Then the lowest number, wala naman po tayong lowest sa parehas. Since parehas silang 50, kunin natin 50 plus 0, that is 50. So the D value or the D8 value, that is equivalent to 50. Pero kung titignan naman natin yung data talaga, no? Kung ito po yung 50, ito po yung 50, no? Ano yung nasa gitna nila? No? Ano yung nasa gitna ng 50-50? So, same lang din po siya. That is 50. So, now let's move on to your seat work. So, seat work for green. No? So, for 10 green po ito. Then, for 10 cyan, ito po. So, paki-post nyo na lang. Then, thank you for listening and goodbye.